Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where the security robot bobblehead is inside of Abiotic Factor, and the simple answer is it's inside of the Hydroplant down near where the submarine is with the two scientists that are having a little chat. So if you head to the front entrance after you get off the tram and go down the big ramp, you'll find the submarine area, and just past them, just past the little break room on the right-hand side, is a little right-hand duct where you can dive down with the dive suit. And in here, in the second hallway over, you can go up inside the ducts by going up. And inside of here is the Hydroplant uniform, which is on that dead guy. And then you can also go down into this water where they have the assembly line for the security robots. And in the garbage bin in the back of the room is the security robot figurine. So enjoy.